second theory, Newland law of octave. In last lecture we see the classification of elements. We see classification of element means total is 118 elements. So out of total element, first 20 to 30 elements we usually use and form the different types of compound. But last century, different scientists study and started experiment. So different scientists formation new properties in different compound. So different scientists, on the basis of their theory, he started the different method of classification. So first we study in last lecture Doberian triad, means for example lithium. In last lecture we see the lithium atomic mass 6.9, sodium is 23 and potassium K is 39.1. So it is A, B, C. So addition of A plus C divided by 2 means A is lithium. So lithium atomic mass is 6.9. Lithium atomic mass is 6.9 plus potassium. Third element is potassium 39.1. So addition of these two elements divided by 2. So we get a middle atomic mass, means middle element atomic mass 23. So it is studied in Doberian triad. Triad means three group of elements having similar property. So scientists Doberian study this theory. This means addition of two atomic means first and third atomic masses, and we get some middle atomic mass of element. So we get means addition of lithium atomic mass and potassium atomic mass. So average of these two atomic mass divided by 2. So we get sodium atomic masses of elements. So we get 23. 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. So this theory is fails to explain all elements. This theory is failed to explain all elements. So this theory cancel out, and second new theory is proposed scientist John Newland. Proposed a scientist John Newland in 1866. So second theory is Newland law of octave. Second theory is Newland law of octave. So what is Newland law of octave? So this scientist John Newland, this scientist, English scientist John Newland, put forward a theory, means he arranged every 8 element properties are similar to first one. For example, lightest element is hydrogen. Lightest element is hydrogen. Lightest first element is hydrogen, and heaviest element is thorium. So symbol is TH. So Newland law of octave means first lightest element hydrogen to heaviest element thorium. So correlated atomic masses in different way. Correlated atomic masses in different way. So in 1866, arranged element known element are arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. In increasing order of atomic masses. For example, first element, lightest element is hydrogen. Atomic mass is 1. Lithium means atomic number 3. So approximately double atomic mass. So 6.9. Next, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium up to zirconium. But this scientist failed, means this scientist shows that first element is hydrogen. So first hydrogen, second lithium, third beryllium, fourth boron, fifth carbon, sixth nitrogen, seventh oxygen, and eighth fluorine. So this is first element and this is eighth element. So first element and eighth element have similar property. So this is first element and eighth element have similar property. So next example is beryllium is first element. Second boron, third carbon, fourth nitrogen, fifth oxygen, seventh fluorine. Beryllium 1, boron 2, carbon 3, nitrogen 4, oxygen 5, fluorine 6, nitrogen 7 and magnesium is 8 element. So this is second example. First element is beryllium. So beryllium have similar properties with 8 element magnesium. So arrange this element in increasing order of atomic masses. In increasing order of atomic masses. So first element and 8 element have similar property. So first element and 8 element have similar property. So next example, third example, also similar, boron and aluminium. Boron and aluminium. First element is boron. So 8 element is aluminium. So this is also similar properties. Boron have similar properties with aluminium. Boron have similar properties with aluminium. But this scientists study means increasing order of atomic masses. But in this first means in this first vertical column, in this first vertical column, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine and bromine is a noble gases. Is a noble gases. So it has a different property. But cobalt and nickel, it is a metal. So it is a means different properties, and hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine is a gases. So it is a non-metal. So non-metal shows different property. So this Newland law of octave failed to study this thing. This Newland law of octave failed to study of this means higher atomic masses of element. Similarly, ceridium and lanthanum as also two elements have different properties with upline order element. So cobalt and nickel and iron. So this is a metal. So cobalt and nickel have similar properties of iron. Cobalt and nickel have similar properties of iron. Means this scientist Newland law of octave correlated atomic masses in different way. Means 1866 arranged element known at that time increasing order of atomic masses. Means न्यूलैंड ने क्या कहा था कि ऐसे एटॉमिक मास अरेंज करने इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर पे. सो फर्स्ट एंड 8 एलिमेंट हैव सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी. So first and 8 element have similar properties. Means he found every 8 element properties are similar to those of first. Means 8 की और first की properties क्या है similar. So ये prove किया था Newland law of octave. So this is means new law जनरेट हुआ था. तो उसे लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव. लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव. सो लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव क्या? एवरी 8 एलिमेंट properties are similar to the first one. Properties are similar to the first one. Means similarity observed in the 8 and first element. Means similarity observed in first and 8 element so it is called as law of octave. So it is called as law of octave. So Newland generate a law of octave. Law of octave means similarity observed in first and 8 element. Similarity observed in first and element. Hydrogen and fluorine have similar properties. Beryllium and magnesium also similar properties. Lithium and sodium also similar properties. But higher atomic masses means fail to this state. Higher atomic masses fail to this state. Means this is a gas and this is a metal. So metal and gases have different property. Gases means non-metal. So metal and non-metal have different property. So this theory is failed to explain the noble gases. This theory is failed to explain noble gases of element. So Newland law of octave. This theory is applicable only atomic number 20 means calcium. This theory applicable only up to calcium element. This theory only applicable up to calcium element. So calcium atomic number 20. So next higher atomic masses fails to explain the Newland law of octave. Fails to explain Newland law of octave. So Newland law of octave theory is failed. Means higher atomic masses and new properties are discovered different scientists. So this theory cannot fit it. Means higher atomic masses of element cannot fit it in this law of octave. So this theory is failed to explain new element properties and new element fitted in this table. So this theory is failed. So we discussed the third theory, Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table means scientist Dmitry Mendeleev in period of 1869 to 1872. So in last two study we studied the increasing atomic masses. Means scientists arrange the number of elements according to increasing atomic masses. According to increasing atomic masses. But scientist Dmitry Mendeleev in the period of 1869 and 1872, he means properties are similar of this element and arrange this 63 element in periodic table. Arrange this 63 element in periodic table. So Dmitry Mendeleev scientist. The statement of this law, properties of element are periodic function of their atomic masses. Means statement of this law, properties of element are periodic function of their atomic masses. Periodic function means after some time interval. After some time interval, the properties means chemical or physical property. Physical properties means melting point, boiling point, density, and chemical properties means reaction with oxygen and reaction with air and reaction with any chemical element. So this is chemical property. So properties are similar after some time interval. So according to their atomic masses. So it is called as Mendeleev periodic law. So it is called as Mendeleev periodic law. So scientist Mendeleev arranged this 63 element in periodic table. Arrange this 63 element in periodic table. But after some time interval, it shows some physical means same physical and chemical properties. Same physical and chemical properties. So for example, he says that vertical column is called as group. Vertical column is called as group and horizontal rows is called as period. Means scientist Mendeleev says that vertical column is called as group and horizontal rows is called as period. So this vertical column is group. Group first, group second, group third up to group 8. But in horizontal rows it is called as period. It is called as period. So this representation means R2O. R2O means R means any alkyl group. R means any alkyl group. So this is means properties are similar. R2O means formation of oxide means R represent all these group first element. So for example, this is formed H. This represented as means scientists represented as R2O. This formation represented as in base formation means R2O. Means R replaced by any group first. R replaced by any group first element. For example, hydrogen. So hydrogen is 2 atoms. React with oxygen to form as water molecule means oxide formation. Means oxide formation and RH4. So this is formation of hydride formation. This is formation of hydride formation. So R represent in this group all element. R represent in this group all elements. So RH means hydride formation and RO means oxide formation. So in group first we form H2O. So hydrogen react with oxygen, so water molecule. Next element R is replaced by lithium. R is replaced by lithium. So lithium means According to this general formula, lithium is Li2O. This is oxide formation. This is oxide formation. So lithium oxide form. So lithium oxide form. Similarly as group second. But it is general formula is RO, means oxide formula. Oxide formation general formula is RO. Means second group. So molecular formula of oxide formation RO is general formula. So RO means this R is replaced by second group element. So for example, general formula is RO. So R is replaced by beryllium, second group element. So it forms Be, and next BeO means beryllium oxide. So this is oxide formation. Means this scientist Mendeleev says that according to group means element are arranged according to their properties, according to their similar physical and chemical properties, according to their similar physical and chemical properties. So Mendeleev study on the basis of this element and these properties of on the basis of this element. So 63 elements are arranged in periodic table, but there have a some vacant place, there have a some vacant place. Means scientists plan about a future. So future new scientists study a next new element. So this next new element are arranged in this vacant spaces, arranged in vacant spaces. Means for example, next R2O3. This is a group 3. So general formula is R2O3. So R is replaced by group third element. So we say that aluminium. So aluminium Al2O3. So we form next oxide formation means aluminium oxide. Next group 4. Next group 4 hydride general formula is RH4 and RO2. So this is hydride formation. So group 4th element R is replaced by silicon. So SiHO4. We form SiHO4 means silicon hydride formation. Means hydride formation. And next formula is oxide formation RO2. So R is replaced by silicon, titanium. So for example, silicon means group 4th element using group 4 general formula. So RO2. So SiO2. This is oxide formation and this is a hydride formation on the basis of group means for example 4. So this is a formula RO2 and RH4. So R is replaced by group 4th element. Similarly as group 5, 6, 7 and 8. Group 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means scientists study on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. On the basis of their physical and chemical properties. So physical property melting point, boiling point, and chemical properties means chemically react with each other. So reaction with air, reaction with oxygen. So scientists study of this element and generate a new periodic table. Means 63 elements and arrange this element according to their similar physical and chemical properties. According to their similar physical and chemical property and increasing number of atomic masses and increasing atomic masses. So arrange this element like this table. For example, hydrogen 1. So atomic mass is 1. But this hydrogen, next we study merits of Mendeleev and demerits of Mendeleev. So this table is arranged 63 elements and vacant spaces indicated that different scientists means recent few years scientists discover new element and this new element are fit in this table. So statement of this law, properties of element are periodic function. Periodic function means after some time interval of their atomic basis, means after some time some element are shows same physical and chemical properties, means properties of element are periodic function of their atomic masses, are periodic function of their atomic masses. Means on the basis of finding Mendeleev periodic table, Means this law is called as periodic law. This law is called as periodic law. Means Mendeleev found that elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. Repeat after a definite interval. So this arrange a 63 elements. So this is called as Mendeleev periodic table. So we discuss means merits of Mendeleev periodic law and demerits of Mendeleev periodic law. Next we discuss the merit of Mendeleev periodic law. Merits of Mendeleev periodic law. Merits means advantages of Mendeleev periodic law. So first is atomic masses of some element reversed so as to give them a proper place in periodic table in according to with their properties. Properties means physical or chemical properties. For example, in last year means previously scientists study and find out the beryllium atomic mass. Last two study means Doberan triad and second is Newland law of octet. So this previously year scientists study and beryllium atomic mass is 14.09, but it is not true. 14.09. So it is not actual or not true. So next Mendeleev study on the basis of their properties in recent year means last year. So beryllium actual mass is 9.4. Beryllium actual mass is 9.4. Means beryllium atomic number of beryllium is 4. Hydrogen, helium, lithium and beryllium. So beryllium atomic number is 4. So approximately double. So 4 to the 8 means approximately double is 9.4, which is approximately value. But in last two theory, Newland law of octet and Doberan. So this scientists study and find out the beryllium atomic mass is 14.09. But actual mass of beryllium is 9.4. So this actual mass is found out on the basis of their properties, physical and chemical properties. So this atomic mass is found out in Mendeleev means on the basis of physical properties and chemical properties. So Mendeleev find out actual mass is 9.4. So beryllium place before a boron. Beryllium place before a boron. Means boron atomic number 5, but beryllium is 4. So on the basis of their properties, Mendeleev arranged this periodic table. Increasing order of atomic masses. So as well as increasing order of atomic masses as well as similar properties of means physical and chemical properties. So next second law, Mendeleev kept vacant places in periodic table for element not discovered till date. मतलब अभी तक जो एलिमेंट डिस्कवर ही नहीं हुए लेकिन नेक्स्ट ईयर में हो सकते हैं, इसके फ्यूचर प्लान करके उसने क्या किया, ऐसे वैकेंट प्लेस रख दी जो जहाँ पे ये पीरियोडिक टेबल में वैकेंट प्लेस है. सो न्यू साइंटिस्ट come and discover the new element. So this new element are fitted in this periodic table. Next, Mendeleev says that Eka boron. Eka means Eka is a Sanskrit word. Eka is Sanskrit word. So one after boron. Eka meaning is one. Eka meaning is one. Eka is a Sanskrit word. So it is meaning of Eka is one. So one after a boron means last we studied. The Mendeleev periodic means 63 elements are arranged on the basis of physical and chemical means similar properties after a some time interval. So it says that the Mendeleev periodic law. So Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka silicon. Eka means one. Eka is a Sanskrit word, so Eka means one. So one after a boron, it has vacant place. Means this is, for example, this is a boron. This is a boron. So boron atomic mass is 11. So boron atomic mass is 11. But one after a boron, so it is a vacant place. vacant place means next is aluminum. So aluminum atomic mass is 27.3. So aluminum atomic mass is 27.3. So next is a vacant place. So it is atomic mass is 44. So it is atomic mass is 44. Or next also vacant place. So it is atomic mass is 68. Sorry. It is vacant place. So it is atomic mass is 44. And next also vacant place. So it is atomic mass is 68. मीन्स एक्का बोरॉन. सो बोरॉन के बाद में एल्यूमिनियम है, लेकिन एल्यूमिनियम के बाद में वैकेंट प्लेस है जिसका एटॉमिक मास 44 है. और एल्यूमिनियम के बाद में एक वैकेंट, इसका एटॉमिक मास 44 और नेक्स्ट आफ्टर सो इसका मास है 68. बट एलिमेंट नेम कुड नॉट फाइंड इन दिस मेंडेलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो नेक्स्ट जो साइंटिस्ट आएंगे वो डिस्कवर करेंगे, रिसर्च करेंगे और उसका नेम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो फॉर एग्जांपल एक्का एल्यूमिनियम, फॉर एग्जांपल एक्का एल्यूमिनियम. सो एक्का एल्यूमिनियम मींस वन आफ्टर. सो 44 को हमने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया और उसके बाद में कौन सा है 68. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी, सो प्रॉपर्टी इज एटॉमिक मास, डेंसिटी, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. सो मैंने शॉर्ट फॉर्म यहाँ पे इंडिकेट किया. एटॉमिक मास, डेंसिटी, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट मींस एमपी, फॉर्मूला ऑफ क्लोराइड, फॉर्मूला ऑफ ऑक्साइड, एंड लास्ट प्रॉपर्टीज nature of oxide. Last property is nature of oxide. This table means scientist Mendeleev means vacant places is 44, 68 and 72. He find out 3 vacant places in this means बहुत सारे vacant places, लेकिन for example हमने consider कर लिया 44, 68 and 72. So next एक्का aluminium means one after aluminium element, one after aluminium मतलब aluminium के बाद में एक vacant place छोड़ दिया और फिर vacant place ही उसका atomic number है atomic mass है 68. So atomic एक्का aluminum atomic mass is 68. So density is 5.9. Melting point is low, means less than 100 degrees Celsius. Formula of next means formula of chloride. So it is general formula. So indicated by ECl3. So oxide, formula of oxide is E2O3. Means last periodic table we write general formula like this means ECl3 means E and R. It is replaced by other group of element means same group of element. For example, group first. So group first element is hydrogen, sodium. So this group is replaced by R or E. This group is replaced by R or E. Means we form RCl3. So this R is replaced by E. So E, it is replaced by this group of element. So formula of oxide is E2O3 and nature of oxide means it is acidic, basic or same properties means properties are similar with acidic and basic. So it is called as amphoteric oxide. Properties are similar means acidic भी है और basic भी है उसे amphoteric oxide. So for example water. So water कुछ solvent में dissolve करते हैं तो वो acidic भी show करता है और basic भी. So water is amphoteric oxide. Next मीन्स एक्का एल्यूमिनियम. सो ये हमने गेस किया था, एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट नहीं किया था. तो एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट नेक्स्ट ईयर में साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च करके एक्चुअल एलिमेंट था गैलियम. सो इट इज सिंबल इज Ga, गैलियम. सो न्यू साइंटिस्ट डिस्कवर एंड रिसर्च एंड फाइंड आउट द नेम इज गैलियम. सो सिंबल ऑफ गैलियम इज Ga. सो एटॉमिक मास इज 69.7. Density is 5.94. Melting point is 30.2. Formula of chloride is Ga. So E is replaced by G. So Ga is GaCl3. Next formula of oxide is E is replaced by Ga, gallium. So Ga2O3, gallium oxide. Or nature is same. So these properties are similar to एक्का aluminum. So एक्का aluminium. So it is replaced by gallium. So this is vacant place is filled with gallium. This vacant place is filled with a gallium. This is a second merit of Mendeleev periodic law. And third merit is means last पॉइंट हमने डिस्कस किया था, नोबल गैस एलिमेंट मींस न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव. सो न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव क्या किया, मतलब क्या कहा था, हाइड्रोजन एंड फ्लोरीन, हाइड्रोजन फ्लोरीन क्लोरीन, बट नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इज CO and nickel and next is boron. This is means this next element is like this, but first series हमने consider कर ली first series. So hydrogen is a gas, fluorine also is a gas, chlorine also gas and bromine also is gas. But cobalt and nickel is a metal. It is a metal. But these three मतलब for example these three and this is all are non-metal. All are non-metal except with cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel are metal, but hydrogen, fluorine. So hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine and bromine. So it is a non-metal. Means it is a gases. Next, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel are metals. So after this series means Mendeleev studied the new classification of element means Mendeleev periodic law. A last series in this periodic law means in this series are blank. In this series are vacant places means blank. So this series are fit. Next recent year element search means this is element is called as noble gases. This called as noble gases. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So this is a noble gases. So Mendeleev study means last column is a vacant place. So recent new scientists discover new elements. So last series means last column are vacant. So this vacant place are filled up with the means fill up with noble gas of element. Noble gases means zero group element means noble gases it is also called as zero group element. So what is zero group element? Helium, neon, argon, krypton element. So it is called as noble gas or zero element. So last column, so it is fitted noble gas element in according to Mendeleev periodic law. So this is merits of Mendeleev periodic law first, second and third. So next we discuss demerit means disadvantages of Mendeleev periodic law. Next we discuss the demerits of Mendeleev periodic law. Demerits means disadvantages of Mendeleev periodic law. So first is whole number of atomic mass of element cobalt and nickel is the same. Cobalt and nickel is the same. There was an confusion. There the sequence in Mendeleev periodic table. Means first confusion क्या था कि कोबाल्ट और निकेल का एटॉमिक मास सेम, तो उसका पोजीशन कहाँ पे Mendeleev periodic में वो एलिमेंट कहाँ पे रखने हैं. So this was create a confusion with the basis of their sequence in Mendeleev periodic law. Means atomic mass of element cobalt and nickel is same. So हम मतलब उसकी पोजीशन कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे Mendeleev periodic law. So ये हो गया फर्स्ट डिमेरिट मींस कोबाल्ट और निकल का एटॉमिक मास सेम है, तो इट इज क्रिएट अ कंफ्यूजन फॉर देयर सीक्वेंस इन Mendeleev periodic table. So ये था फर्स्ट डिमेरिट. Demerit of Mendeleev periodic law, isotope. So say isotope means same chemical properties but different atomic mass. So same chemical properties है कुछ एलिमेंट के और different atomic mass. So how to place मतलब पोजीशन और प्लेस कौन सी फिक्स करनी है इन पीरियोडिक टेबल, तो ये मेंडेलीव के पास चैलेंज हो गया. तो ये क्या हो गया सेकंड डिमेरिट मींस सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बट डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मास. सो अ चैलेंज वाज पोज्ड इन प्लेस देम इन पीरियोडिक टेबल. ये हो गया सेकंड डिमेरिट. सो थर्ड क्या था पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मींस हाइड्रोजन जो एलिमेंट है जो इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है और ये लाइटेस्ट एलिमेंट. सो हाइड्रोजन कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर विथ अल्कली मेटल मीन्स फर्स्ट ग्रुप एलिमेंट एंड कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर विथ हैलोजन एलिमेंट मीन्स 17 ग्रुप एलिमेंट. 17 group element means for example, so it can't be decided the correct position in periodic table. For example, hydrogen compound of hydrogen, hydrogen chloride, water and hydrogen sulfide means HCl, H2 and H2S. So compound of Na, so Na is also alkali metal in first group. So Na also similar properties with hydrogen means NaCl, Na2O and sulfide formation means oxide formation, sulfide formation and chloride formation have similar properties means hydrogen के कुछ properties similar है first group element but कुछ properties similar with halogen group element. So hydrogen means for example sodium hydride, sodium chloride but with non-metal 17 group element halogen family. Carbon means methane formation and carbon tetrachloride means CH4 and CCl4. So कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर विथ अल्कली मेटल और कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर विथ हैलोजन फैमिली. सो इट क्रिएट अ कंफ्यूजन और इट कैन बी डिसाइडेड द करेक्ट पोजीशन इन पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो एक्चुअल पोजीशन ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल हाइड्रोजन इज अपवर्ड मींस मिडल. दिस इज अ पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो दिस इज लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट ग्रुप एलिमेंट एंड नेक्स्ट इज this is vertical column. So it is called as S block, P block, D and last is F block. Means this periodic table. So hydrogen similar properties first group means alkali metal Na and second boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So this is 17 group element means halogen group. So this some properties are similar with alkali metal and some properties are similar with 17 group element means halogen family. Halogen family means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So create a confusion. So it can't be decided in correct position. So hydrogen place is middle. So hydrogen places middle means upward direction in the periodic table means separately. Means its properties are similar with first group and 17 group element means halogen group element. So it is similar molecular formula, oxide formation, sulfide formation. So it can't be decided correct position in periodic table. So I hope this second Newland law of octave and third theory Mendeleev periodic table. So clearly understood this theory and these merits of Mendeleev periodic law and demerits of periodic law. So if you have any queries, so ask me in groups. Thank you.